overhand opposite butterfly. We're going to take out right and back in, and take out left and back in, and take out right and back in, and take out left and back in. We are. We're switching right out, back in, left out, back in, right out, back in, left out, back in. Yes, I'm making you do things you might not normally do. Let's go big and back to small. 3 times, 2, 3, and then big for 1 and small, 2, 3, and big for 1 and small, 2, 3, and take out right and back in, and take out left and back in, take out right and back in, take out left and back in, and you can do this little turn and tap if you want to start adding some style to it. And then we're gonna bring it up. So do the same takeout, but go up and down, and up and down, and up and down, 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 up and down. And now we're gonna take both poi from overhand opposite butterfly, go into split time, and back to same time, and split time, 4, 3, 2, 1, and same time, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now double stall out to the side, come into underhand opposite butterfly. Guess what? We're going to do the same set of things. So take out right and back in, and left and back in. And you can do the tap like I'm doing here, or not if you don't want to, but or your own stylization. So if you wanted to lift your leg like that, you could add that in if that's easier or more preferable. And then we'll go up with the right, and up with the left, and up with the right and back down, up with the left and back down, up with the right and back down, up with the left and back to butterfly. Go big for 1 and small, 2, 3, and big for 1 and small, 2, 3. Okay, now we're here in our underhand opposite butterfly. Let's go into split time, split time, split time, same, 2, 3, 4, split time, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll go same, 2, 3, and then big on 4, and small, 2, 3, and big on 4, and small, 2, 3, and big on 4, and small, 2, 3, big on 4. Now we're going to try it with split time. You may or may not get it. So split time, 2, 3, and big on 4, and small, 2, 3, and big on 4, and small, 2, 3, big, and then small, 2, 3, big and big, back to the butterfly. Now same time. Now come over the top and drop stall the 2 poi. So they've stopped. Now if you had a lot of wobble with your drop stall, let's just try it one more time. Come up, and then as it's coming down, you pull your hands up like this to prevent it from doing this wobble like that. So you pull the hand up and let it act like a brake to absorb the excess energy. Now from this, good job. Now, from this drop stall, we're going to turn to the left in the counterclockwise corkscrew. So we're going to turn left counterclockwise. The right hand will lead here like this. The right hand comes up, the left one follows, and you go into your counterclockwise corkscrew. Then from here, let's turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left, and now sync it up into together time, and then bring it down, tap on your left hip, and reverse direction, go into clockwise, then split the time, and then we're going to turn to the right. Turn to the right, turn to the right, turn to the right, come back to the front, and get it into together time. And we're going to come down and tap on the right hip, change direction, right hand leads, we go into counterclockwise, split the time, turn to the left, and then bring it down into together time and tap on the left hip, change direction. Left hand comes up first as you go to the right, turning to the right in clockwise. And now plane shift it up, bring it up to pinwheel, up to pinwheel, up to pinwheel, and then come down and overhand on the right hand side. Just practice that plane shift for the corkscrew. You are going clockwise like this. Then what you're going to do is instead of looking down, look up, look up, look up, and make the energy, instead of it being directed across the flat plane, across the vertical plane to your left, so that you can stand it up and get it into that vertical clockwise pinwheel. And then fake it, come down and jam it down into overhand on the right. So even if your corkscrew, it's more corkscrew-esque, like, so if it's like this, and that's more corkscrew than pinwheel, and you try and get it up, but you can only get it to here, if you turn to the right, you can sort of jam it down on the side. But let's go from this. So you plane shifted it up, you got into the pinwheel, come down on the right and overhand. Whew. Okay, so you can think of this as sort of like a resting position where you get ready to do your next thing. Let's try and do an overhand weave from here. Yep. Let's open up the overhand weave back into the circles and then do a sweep back. This is where I would have you do your underhand weave. You're not quite ready for it yet. So then now we're going to sweep over and now do an overhand weave again. And we'll open up the overhand weave and then sweep back. And again, this is where I'd have you do an underhand weave. So when you're ready, you'll insert that there, sweep up over the top again, go back into your overhand weave, open up your overhand weave, open your legs, double stall between your legs and come out underhand. Now we're going to do the opposite direction. So as you're ready for it, you'll add your underhand weave here, but then from the circle, open it up, sweep over the top, come down, and then come into the overhand weave. And then you'll open up the weave, go into your weave, open up your weave, sweep back, underhand, go into your weave, if you can, open it up, sweep over the top, we'll go back into the overhand weave on this side, and then open it up, sweep back. Again, when you get your underhand weave, you'll put that here, and then open it up. Now we're going to sweep over the top, and then sweep back. Sweep over the top, sweep back. Sweep up, turn halfway, come into your counter.